In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show thumbnails instead of icons in VLC videos on Windows. If you've ever opened a folder full of videos and only seen generic VLC cone icons instead of preview thumbnails, this quick fix is exactly what you need. Seeing thumbnails makes it much easier to identify your videos at a glance, especially if you work with a lot of media files. This method is simple, works on modern versions of Windows, and doesn't require any extra software. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software and Windows tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to start by opening the Start menu on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the Start menu is open, click on the search bar and type in Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. As you type, you should see an option with that exact name appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it. When you open this option, a new window will appear called Performance Options. By default, it should open on the Visual Effects tab. This section controls how Windows displays animations, effects, icons, and thumbnails throughout the system. This is where the setting that affects video thumbnails is located, so make sure you're on the Visual Effects tab before moving forward. Now, look through the list of visual effect options. You'll see a long list of checkboxes with different display settings. Scroll through this list until you find the option labeled Show Thumbnails instead of Icons. This setting is extremely important because when it's turned off, Windows will only show generic icons for files like videos, even if they're supported by apps like VLC. If the box next to Show Thumbnails instead of Icons is not checked, click on it to enable the setting. If it's already checked, you can still leave it as is, but this step confirms that Windows is allowed to display thumbnails for video files. This setting applies system-wide, so it affects File Explorer and all folders where your videos are stored. Once you've checked the box, move down to the bottom of the Performance Options window and click the Apply button. Give Windows a moment to apply the changes. After that, click OK to close the window completely. These changes usually take effect immediately, so there's no need to restart your computer in most cases. Now, open File Explorer and navigate to the folder where your VLC video files are stored. Make sure your folder view is set to medium icons, large icons, or extra large icons. You can change this by clicking the View menu at the top of File Explorer. Once you do that, you should now see actual thumbnail previews of your videos instead of the default VLC cone icons. This makes browsing and managing your video files much faster and more visual. If you still don't see thumbnails right away, try refreshing the folder or reopening File Explorer. In rare cases, Windows may take a moment to regenerate thumbnail previews, especially if you have a lot of large video files. And that's it. You've successfully enabled thumbnails instead of icons for VLC videos on Windows. This small change can make a big difference in how you organize and work with your media files. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments if you want more VLC or Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.